Now, Alicia was asking about the new frame tool. And interesting, the frame tool came in 2022, and 2023 has added some elements. I find that the frame tool is a little bit like a mask. So if you are familiar with the mask, you might want to use the mask only, but that's fine. The frame tool has now different basic shapes. So rectangle, ellipse, preset shapes. So the same preset shapes that you have in your vector. Here, the symmetric shapes or some text. So if I use here, let's say the symmetric shape with 5, not sure why it's not. I'm not sure why the pick tool is active. Okay. I have to apologize. I'm using 2023, but this is not the same version you have. I'm using a version that actually has a bug. So some things are a little odd. So I'm supposed to be able to, no, it doesn't work. Ha! Okay, let me go to the 2020 image then. So 2022 should work. So let's say I have a page. I'm activating my tool. Okay, something is really not working. Okay, yeah. So I'm making a selection, and you can see it was around here. Look in the layers palette, it created a new kind of layer called frame. And now you, in order to add something inside the frame, you would go into File, Embed Image. And let's go with that same guy. And he will be added into that frame. What's interesting is that the script, or not the script, but the program will resize the image. Remember, it was a huge image. It resizes the image and places it inside that. Now you can move the image. You can modify the frame. You can play around like that. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!